To make your Facebook account private. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. In this video we're gonna learn the easy process of making your Facebook account private. So if you want to make things private on your account of Facebook, this is going to be the right video for you because I'm going to show you a couple of settings that you can manage. Now the first thing that you need to know is that there is no separate button similar to as Instagram where you can turn on and your entire Facebook will be made private. That is something that is just available on Instagram, but for Facebook you need to manage a couple of settings. So first of all, open up your Facebook app, tap on the menu icon on the top right. From this menu you just need to scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings. From this section again tap on profile settings and then tap on privacy. Now from this section you can make your account private. Now firstly, under your activity there is an option which says who can see your future post. So by default it would be set to public. Now if you don't want everyone on Facebook other than your friends to view your post that you make on your Facebook, you can just tap to friends and only the people who are your friends on Facebook would be able to view your post. If you also don't want that and if you want only a certain amount of people to view your post, you can just tap on specific friends and then individually select those friends who you want to include in that list. So that's the first thing that you can do. And similarly you can also manage other settings such as who can see people, pages and lists you follow. By default this would also be set to public. You can set it to friends. And similarly to before, you can tap on specific friends and include only those friends. These are similar settings. You can manage them according to your wants, such as who can see your future reels, who can see your stories. You can also set them as hide from, or you can also add in custom people. Now after that is done, the next section is how people can find and contact you. So the first option inside is who can send you a friend request. If yours is set to everyone, make sure you tap on friends of friends. This way not anyone on Facebook can send you a friend request. And you can see other settings also, such as who can see your friend list. If you don't want others to view your friend list, you can tap on only me, and same on the other options as well. Now after you manage these couple of settings, your Facebook will be made pretty much private. And like I said earlier, it's not going to be made completely private as similar to on Instagram, but as compared to before, your account will be made private. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.